Hello children, welcome back to the Unit of Inquiry class. So we are stepping on to the last theme of this academic year, that is the theme 6, which is sharing the planet. So already we discussed a few things about sharing the planets, and you gave your opinions which were really nice and which is really valuable, that this planet is not only for the human beings but also for the other living things. So that was a great opinion. Getting it from such a small kids, it's really, that much understanding you have about this planet and you care for the planet. You all are very caring. So in this unit, the central idea is people can make choices to support the sustainability of the earth's resources. So we make choice to use certain things that is on the earth, isn't it? So to make you more clear, on in the last class I asked you to write the things that you can see around you, isn't it? So you wrote whatever you could see around you, like chair, furnitures, fan, and you came up with other things like trees, beach, all those things, isn't it? And after that I asked you to separate it, that is sort it out whether they are man-made or natural, and you sorted it out by putting a line in the center of your page and you wrote natural, what are the natural things that you have written and what are the man-made. So those things are called as resources, right? The things that we use in our daily life, they are resources. It can be man-made, it can be natural. So you beautifully differentiated it. So whose decision is to use that? We don't have any other go. We are dependent upon earth, isn't it? We are depending upon the earth to get a lot of things to live our life, isn't it? We need water, we need food, we need clothes. These are the basic necessities of the life. At the same time, it's our choice, right? We are taking the decision, we are making the decisions, it is our choice, right? The same time, we have also to take care. When we are using such kind of resources, we should make it available for the future generation also. When we were discussing about the sustainability development goals, we mostly we concentrated on the climate action, life below water, life on land, and you told me many things regarding that, isn't it? We should save our earth, we should save the resources, we should save water, we should save other things in the earth that are natural. We are not supposed to cut the tree. So this unit talks about all those things. It covers all the issues that our earth's resources faces, isn't it? So the meaning of this central idea now says that people can make choices. We can make choices in such a manner that we can save the resources for our future generation. Okay, that is what this means. Sustainability, the meaning of sustainability is nothing but it says that renewable, being able to continue the usage of the resources. For example, water. If you have lots of water with you, it doesn't mean you have to waste it. It's not like that. You need to use it in such kind of way that it is not wasted, right? So that is what it is talking. This doesn't only talk about the water, usage of water. It talks about all the natural resources that we should not waste. We should save it for our future generation. And this theme will give us a lot of ideas on how to save the resources. So I hope you are clear with the central idea. It says that people can make choices to support the sustainability of the earth's resources. It is very clearly stated that we can make choices in such a way that we are not wasting the resources of the earth, okay, and it should be available for the future generation. So we should do certain things. We are taking the decisions on using the resources, so it is our duty to take such a decision that doesn't affect others. So sustainability means continual or renewable. You can see continual in the sense continuously able to use our resources again and again. So we have to make, we have to take such decisions. We have to plan accordingly that we are not wasting any resources. For example, simple example I will give you. When you are brushing your teeth, you're not supposed to leave the tap open. You are brushing your teeth. There is no need of water at that point of time. Only when you gargle, you need that, right? So till that, you should not open your tap because that there is wastage of water. Even though it is small amount of water, everybody does that, what will happen? The whole earth is wasting water in such a manner. Not only for this, we are doing many things that is affecting the earth's resources, right? Let it be water, let it be the atmosphere. right? And even the noises generated by the vehicles, that is also an issue for the earth, for us. So we should use the resources in such a way that it doesn't affect others. It doesn't, others in the future generation, your children doesn't have to worry about the resources. They should not be there without water, without food, right? So sustainability means being able to use the resources again and again. That is, its another name is renewable. Okay, we will see this in detail once we start inquiring the lines of inquiry. So the first line of inquiry is Earth's finite and infinite resources. So here we will learn what is the resources, what are the resources that can be renewed. That is, you can use it again and again and it doesn't get wasted. You don't have to worry about the usage. Okay, we will see lots of example between those kind of resources, right? Some resources you can renew, you can use it again and again. You don't have to worry about it getting over. But there are certain resources that will get over once you use it, right? There are certain resources you need to wait for a long time to get it back. So now you don't get confused with that. We will learn it with lots of examples. The second line of inquiry tells us that the impact of people's choices on the environment. So as I said, the lines of inquiry, the central idea said that people can make choices. It's our choice. We should make such a choice that doesn't affect the earth. But we, in this line of inquiry, we will learn what are the choices that really affects the environment. Like for example, usage of vehicles releases the smoke to the atmosphere, so it is affecting the earth, right? It is creating pollution. So we should find solutions for that. So first we will learn what is the problem actually, then we will go for the solution. Then the balance between meeting human needs and the use of limited resources. There are certain resources that is very limited. As I said you before, when we learn about this finite and infinite resources, we will learn about what are the resources that will get over. For example, water. We are not supposed to waste water a lot because in future we may not get water, right? So we should be balanced in using certain resources. We are not supposed to waste. So all these three lines of inquiry will take you, will tell you what are the resources, natural resources on the earth, how we have to save them, what are our problems, like what are the mistakes that we do that affects the earth, and how should we use the resources very carefully. So in this unit you are going to learn all this. This unit is going to be really interesting because already you know a lot of things about this, isn't it? So we will have a lot of discussions and activities so that you understand it more and more. So kindly go through this, and in the upcoming classes we will learn about the lines of inquiry one by one. So till I meet you for the next time, take care, bye.